This is Shovelhead 8. It's another cast iron Wednesday, and we're going to make pancakes, homemade pancakes from scratch, and homemade bacon that I made from scratch. Anyways, we're using a recipe from the Lily Wallace New American Cookbook from 1949. Anyways, this is a sort of a go-to book for me. It has 3,500 different recipes in it for almost everything, so I use it. Anyways, I have my stuff prepared here, my dry ingredients, my wet, and I just have to mix them together. And it's okay if this has lumps, and it's okay if it sits for a bit too, so. Anyways, I'll shut you off and we'll be back when the pans are hot. And we're back. Our pans are all heated up, so we're just going to put the stuff in our pans. This is some homemade bacon that I made, and I'm just going to throw about half of it in the pan because I'm the only one eating it. 6 slices. And now for put the pancakes on. Only going to do 4 for this first batch. And we'll be back after we've turned everything over. And here's the first 4 being turned over. Many more to come. There's batch number 2 turned over. There'll probably be one more batch after this, and I'll probably save that for breakfast. Just reheat it in a toaster, in a frying pan or something. So anyways, I'll be back when I'm all done. And here's the last batch going on. This is more or less the cooked share because it's be some odd sizes and bowl scrapings. Okay, and we'll be back when it's on the plate. And there's my supper. Scratch pancakes, homemade bacon, and syrup, and butter of course. So I'll go downstairs and eat this, and I'll throw in an action photo. Anyways, it's Shovelhead 8. Here's the action photo I promised you. Bit of pancake, bit of bacon, and a little bit of dog. Anyways, Shovelhead 8. See you next week on Cast Iron Wednesdays. Like, comment, subscribe. Go see D at Native Tears for the Cast Iron Wednesday list, and see you next time. Here's some bonus footage. I'm gonna take last night's leftovers and make myself a pancake and bacon breakfast sandwich. So anyways, I'm gonna toast up the pancakes and microwave the bacon, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, time to get going. There's our pancakes. I just heated them up in the toaster. Butter. This is maple spread, which is basically sort of maple sugar, but not as good. Put a little bit of that on. Get some bacon. And that's breakfast. All but done but the eating. And now just for the eating. So I have my helpers here, who doesn't like the head camera. There's my breakfast sandwich with a big bite out of it. And there's a big bite for my other helper. Anyways, Shovelhead 8, I'll see you next Wednesday.